Welcome to Wolfsburg, the heart of Volkswagen, a city built around an idea, one that has changed the world. The story of Volkswagen begins in 1930s Germany with a bold idea to build a car affordable for ordinary people. The name itself says it all. Volkswagen is equals to people's car. The design was led by Ferdinand Porsche, who created what would become one of the most recognizable car ever. The Beatles. And at the same time, an entire city was built around this dream. This is Wolfsburg. World War II changed everything. The factory was damaged, production stopped, and the future looked uncertain. A British officer, Ivan Hurst, saw potential in the ruins. He started production, and the Beetle came back to life. This movement turned Volkswagen from a failed wartime project into a global. By the 1950s and the 60s, the Beatles became a global icon. It was simple, reliable, and affordable. Millions were sold worldwide. In places like United States, it became a symbol of counterculture, a small car challenging a big American machines. Volkswagen wasn't just selling cars anymore, it was selling a lifestyle. By the end of 1970s, the Beatles era was ending. Volkswagen needed to reinvent itself. Enter the Golf, modern, practical, and perfect for a new generation. This shift saved the company. Over time, Volkswagen expanded into a global automotive group, adding brands like Audi, Porsche, and Lamborghini. Today, everything comes together in Autostadt. Opened in 2002, Autostadt is more than a museum. It's a living showcase of mobility, design, and innovation. Inside, you shall find the Child House Museum, showing over a century of automotive history. Brand pavilion from across the Volkswagen Group, the iconic glass car towers, and even the chance to pick up a brand new car. Nearby Auto Museum, Volkswagen preserves the brand's legacy with around 130 historic vehicles. Today, Volkswagen is transforming again, from the Beetles to the Golf to the electric vehicles like the ID series. The company is now focused on electric mobility, sustainability, digital innovation. The journey continues just like the road itself.
Beats. Wo? Da vorne. Oder ach, 19.
From a simple idea, a car for the people, to a global symbol of innovation, Volkswagen's story isn't just about cars. It's about how mobility shaped the modern world. Just a few steps away from the modern world of Autostadt, where the glass towers sign and technology defines the future, stands something far older. Wolfsburg Castle. Long before engines, before factories, before roads filled the cars, this was the center of life here. Back in the 13th century, it began as a fortress, strong, simple, and surrounded by water. It wasn't built to impress, it was built to protect. Over time, the world changed, and so did the castle. The rough fortress slowly became a residence. Stone walls turned into elegant halls, and what once stood for defense became a place of living. For generations, people lived here, watching the world move slowly. No noise of machines, no rush of modern life, just time passing quietly. And then, centuries later, something changed. An idea arrived, a car for the people, factories were built, a city grew, and Wolfsburg became a symbol of movement and innovation. But the castle remained, unchanged in spirit, standing still while everything around it moved forward. Today, walking here feels different. Today, walking here feels different. The air is calmer, the pace is slower. It's a place where you can pause and feel the weight of history. Because this castle is more than just architecture, it's a reminder that every modern story has a deeper roots. That before speed, there was stillness. Before progress, there was a foundation. And somehow, in this quiet palace, the past and the present meets. Just behind the future, the past is still standing.